Aerospace in Toronto was born in the age of open cockpit biplanes and evolved into the manufacturing of turboprop regional airliners, super large and ultra long range business jets. In 1992, Bombardier began designing and assembling revolutionary aircraft at its Downsview site in Toronto, positioning the city as a key player in the aviation industry, the best in the world. This innovation continues today, fueling Bombardier's progress and Toronto's thriving ecosystem. Bombardier's entire global aircraft family, including the recently certified Global 5500 and Global 6500, are assembled at its Downsview facility. Its newest Canadian flagship, Global 7500 aircraft, continues to set the benchmark for exceptional performance and comfort. With growth comes expansion. Final assembly of unfinished Global family aircraft will move into a brand new home, the Bombardier Global Manufacturing Centre of Toronto. Production is set to begin in 2023. The 1 million square foot cutting-edge facility will combine 21st century production and tools with thousands of highly skilled employees. This renewed commitment to the Greater Toronto Area will leverage our continued collaboration with Ontario's colleges and universities for world-class training, research, and development. Bombardier's Global Manufacturing Centre of Toronto will house the production and support functions for global aircraft. By further investing in its development and its growth, Bombardier is proud to continue playing a vital role in Toronto's ecosystem for decades to come.